Since I have decided to start my YouTube channel today, I have also decided to go with something smooth, slick, simple, yet minimalistic. That is why I will be recreating this button using Tailwind CSS and Freema Motion. Without wasting much of our time, let's get into this tutorial. I have initialized this project using Vit while running PMPM. I have also decided to go for PMPM because of its usability and its advantages overall. Next, I added some basic HTML structure of the button, after which I styled the button using Tailwind CSS utility class to make it easy to apply styles quickly. And here is how I applied the button size, the color and other basic styles. Enough of boring moments, let's dive into animation using Freema Motion. I imported the motion component from Freema Motion and applied it to our button. The initial and animate props let us define the button's final state. I added a hover effect using Freema Motion's animation capabilities. The button translates and changes color when hovered thanks to initial and animate settings. Here is a preview of the button's animation. As you hover on the button, it smoothly translates and transitions to a new color, making it look interactive and engaging. To wrap things up, for those curious among you, the complete code to this button is down in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment below and subscribe for more design animation tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.